Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the construction that's going on Spanish Town Road. But before we are on Spanish Town Road now, and we're going to go over the Spanish Town Road overpass, which is straight ahead. This straight ahead, that's the only double overpass in Jamaica. The top overpass is Hagley Park Road, and the overpass we're driving on now is Spanish Town Road. Now Spanish Town Road is being renovated. The project is being done in two phases. Phase 1 is a laying of pipes by the National Water Commission, water pipes, and phase 2 will be the renovation of the road, paving of the road, etc. So recently Water Commission had laid the pipes and they were pressure testing them, but they had to dig back up certain spots, so I guess there were some problems. So once Water Commission signs off on the road, on the pipes being laid okay, then they will come in and pave over the road. So let's take a look at this section of Spanish Town Road. This is a section that takes us from the 3 miles overpass to downtown Kingston. And let's see what kind of progress is going on this side. We recently came from the other side and no road work had started in terms of paving over the road, but there were no more holes where Water Commission had dug up, so it looks like Water Commission has finished on that side at least. Alright, over here now looks like, not sure what's going on over here. Maybe it's just some cars that are parked. But definitely the road repaving has not started yet. But the good thing is you don't see any open trenches, meaning Water Commission isn't working on the road anymore. Now this Spanish Town Road has a lot of communities, some very large communities. You have Seaview Gardens, Olympic Gardens, Tavares Gardens, Trench Town, Denham Town, Tivoli Gardens, and these are very large communities. So the pipes, the water pipes that were there before just were not adequate to supply the water to all these communities. So Water Commission decided they were going to put in larger pipes so that these communities could get a more stable and better water supply. So that's what they did. They went ahead and laid the pipes, and then the road is to be paved over soon now. So I don't see any sign of Water Commission still working, so that probably means the pressure tests were okay and they can hopefully start renovating the road very soon. But this is Spanish Town Road. You can see the state of the road, so it definitely needs to be paved over. Alright, this is no, not here. Further up where you see the green light, that is the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Maxfield Avenue. this is the intersection with Maxfield Avenue. Turn left, you take Maxfield Avenue up to Halfway Tree. On the right is Greenwich Town, but it's a one-way, so you can't turn right there, but that's the area. Okay, on the right is the Horizon Remand Center, a prison in Jamaica. Now we're going to turn around here and head back on Spanish Town Road. But if we continued straight, we would take Spanish Town Road all the way down to downtown Kingston. The name of it is the Horizon Adult Remand Center. That's the official name. We're going to head back to Maxfield Avenue. But clearly though, it seems as if Water Commission has finished their part, because I don't see any more Water Commission vehicles or any holes in the road where they would dig up the pipes. So it looks like they've finished their part. So it's just for the road paving to begin now. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.